A cracker so hard you needed a hammer to break it. Civil War soldiers called them tooth dullers, sheet iron, and worm castles. Yet militaries kept baking hardtack for over 300 years. Why eat something that could outlast you? The answer is survival math. Hardtack is just flour, water, and salt, baked until every drop of moisture is gone. No moisture means no bacteria, no mold, no rot. A single batch could last decades in a dry barrel. Soldiers needed calories that wouldn't spoil on months-long campaigns, and nothing else came close. Eating it was another story. Soldiers soaked hardtack in coffee or fried it in pork grease just to make it chewable. Many tapped it on a table first to knock out the weevils that burrowed inside. They called that extra protein. Hardtack from the Civil War was still edible during the Spanish-American War 30 years later. One piece in a museum is over 150 years old and intact. The worst meal a soldier ever loved because it kept him alive.